Bonjour, I'm Bonki Bilel, a French graphic designer and lettering artist. This video is a preview from the course I created to master Procreate called the Procreate Guide, and I will talk more about it at the end of this video. Let's see how to store your colors in Color Panel. You can store your colors in the last tab called Palettes. To create a new palette, tap on the plus button at the top right of the Color Panel. There are 4 options. The first one allows you to create a new palette from scratch. The second one, you can capture a palette from your camera. Third, you can capture a palette from a file. And the last one works the same with a photo from your Photos library. You can also drag and drop a file or a photo thanks to Split View directly on the Palettes tab to create a new palette. Palettes are composed of little squares called swatches. Each swatch corresponds to one color. To use one color on your canvas, tap a swatch. Then use the color directly on your canvas. By the way, we saw in a previous lesson that you can use color drop from the color button. Well, you can also use swatch drop directly from a swatch to fill your layer or an object on your layer. To create a swatch, tap an empty space with your current color. If a slot is already taken, tap and hold. Then tap Set Current Color. To move a swatch, drag and drop it to a new position inside the palette, or even to another palette. To delete a swatch, tap and hold, then tap Delete. Now let's see how to manage palettes. A new palette is set automatically as a default palette. The default palette is available at the bottom of the other tabs. To change the default palette, tap on Set Default at the top right of a palette. The name of a palette is at the top left. Tap the name to rename it. To move a palette, tap and hold the top of a palette, then drag up or down on the list of palettes. To delete a palette, swipe from right to left over your chosen palette, then tap Delete. And be careful because a palette cannot be restored. If you want to share a palette to save it on your iPad or share it with the world, swipe from right to left over your chosen palette, then tap Share. The iPad OS sharing interface opens up to choose which app you want to share your palette. Or you can drag and drop your palette by using Split View. For example, drag Files app on one side of the screen to use Split View. Then drag your palette from Procreate to Files app. You can see the file format of a palette is swatches. If you want to import a palette, do the opposite. Drag and drop your palette from Files app to Procreate. Voila! Now you know how to create, share, and import your palettes. Voila! I hope you have found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Procreate, I have created a complete course called the Procreate Guide to master this software with a private forum where I answer all your questions. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Otherwise, you can still look at selected beginner lessons from the Procreate Guide thanks to the playlist on the right. Until the next one, bonsoir!